I'm Jayannath Anthony. I work in Bayside Technologies. Today I'm introducing the topic covering safety challenges and improvement recommendations in telecommunication installations. Introduction: explain why safety is crucial in our field, outline main risk, and set up the objective of this presentation. Slides 3 to 7 will talk about the lack of safe working practices. Actually, this in unsafe working at heights practices, insufficient electrical safety measures. Point out these issues such as unprotected work near live wires and lack of proper electrical safety gear, and poor job planning and hazard identification. Normally, this kind of problems caused by neglecting through the job planning and hazard assessments. Deficient use of personal protective equipment (PPE). Normally, the not instances where the workers either don't use the PPE properly or lack of emergency preparedness and training. Adults catches the emergency drills, absence of clear rescue plans, and lack of awareness. Slides 8 to 13, we're discussing the improvements suggested in safety manuals. Comprehensive training programs is a really important purpose on strict personal protective equipment policies and inspections. We're suggesting enforcing PPE use, regular inspection of gears, and detailed job planning and hazard assessment. We recommend the standardized approaches for hazard analysis and clear document for work methods. Enhanced fall protection systems. Calls for reliable and permanent fall protection measures and accessible rescue equipment on every site. Electrical safety protocols. Advocate following lookout and tagout procedures and routine electrical safety reviews to protect workers, especially the emergency response preparedness. Normally, we encourage developing clear emergency plans, regular drills, and training rescue teams for the quick response. Slides 14 to 18, we're discussing my recommendations. Establish a dedicated safety officer role. The purposing the implement safety incentive program. We're suggesting rewarding the proper safety behavior and reporting systems and encouraging active use of technology for safety. I recommend the modernizing safety tracking and risk identification with digital tools and remote inspections. Continuous risk assessment and improvements. I'm advocating for the regular audits and using feedback to keep improving workplace safety continuity. Strengthen communication channels. I emphasize the importance of daily briefings and safety talks and clear signage to keep all workers informed. Summary and key takeaways. We summarize the main points. The training, equipment, planning, and participation are vital for the safe workplace and ongoing improvement. Thank you for today. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.